Hi, everyone. I am Cristina Blagina. I'm a Salesforce consultant with Milo Massimo. We are a Salesforce CPQ partner. So on the quote document, by default, we see only the quote total. But what if you'd like to see more granular subtotals? So this is, of course, possible to accomplish. We could show a list total, that is the summary of the list prices before the discounts. We could also include a net total, including the quantities. And also, if there are any kinds of discount schedules or anything affecting the regular prices, so the differences between the list price and the regular price can be shown in another field, say regular total. Furthermore, if there are any additional discounts, then the total discount can be shown in a different field, say a discount total field. So as you can see, there are plenty of possibilities to get more granular when it comes to quote subtotals. So the implementation process for this contains several steps, but it's well worth it. First, let's start off by creating 4 pieces of template content containing the necessary merge fields on the quote object. Those would be the list amount total, the regular amount total, discount amount total, and net amount total. So for the first one, let's choose the HTML type. Continue. And in the content name, let's enter list amount total. Then let's go and edit the code by clicking the source button in the toolbar. Then let's copy and paste this code here and click Save. Okay. Notice that what we have here in the WYSIWYG text editor is a table with some text and a merge field, right? So what we've got here is actually the list amount field on the quote, which is a roll up of the quote lines list total. So let me show you. Yeah, here we have it. Now repeat the same steps for the rest of the fields, but edit the code to include the API names of the following fields, I mean, of the corresponding fields. So for the regular amount total, you'll take the regular amount field on the quote object, which is a roll-up of regular amounts of quote products. Then for the discount amount total, take the additional discount amount field. This one is a formula field, and it shows the difference between the regular amount and the customer amount. Then the last one would be the net amount total, and for this one, copy these API names, so the API name of the net amount field on the quote object, and this one is another roll-up summary field showing the total net amount of each non-optional line item in the quote. Okay, so now that we've understood what these fields are, let's create the rest of the template content pieces by cloning this initial one. So here, let's change the name, regular, and field name again, regular, and the API name, regular. Save and clone. Okay, so let's go to the necessary quote template, and on the related list, find sections and click new in order to create the necessary template section. So the first one is going to be list amount total, and we'll assign this one a top margin of 1/4 of an inch So this is the only time when we specify the top margin. So we don't need a top margin for the other sections. And let's indicate a display order. I'll enter here 45. And now let's associate this template section with the correct template content, list amount total, and save a new in order to create the second one. So the second is going to be regular amount total, display order 46. Okay, so we'll repeat the steps for the other sections in order to associate them with the correct template content, specifying the display order so that they go right below one another. And the content here is okay, like this. Save and new. Next one is discount amount total 47. Discount amount total, save and new. And the last one is going to be net amount total, display order 48. And the content is going to be net amount total. Save. Okay, so now that we have 4 pieces of template content associated with 4 template sections, we can go back to the quote and let's preview the document. Okay. Now we should see a very nice table containing these sections at the very bottom of the page, right below the line items table. Here they are. Okay, so stay tuned for another video in which we'll detail the steps for making these fields appear conditionally, because regular total and discount total are not always necessary on the quote document. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.